Every day, millions of tires are made using advanced machines. Let's see how it's fired. Natural and synthetic rubber are mixed with carbon black, silica, and other chemicals to create a strong rubber compound. The rubber is shaped into layers, while steel belts and fabric cords are added to make the tire durable and strong. All the parts are assembled into a green tire before being placed into a giant curing mold. High heat and pressure vulcanize the rubber, giving the tire its final tread pattern and strength. After strict quality testing, the finished tires are ready to hit the road around the world.